Come. So, it's all good. Hi. So, please have a seat. I'll be back. Look after them. Have a seat. Come on.
He left to serve Reddy Corporation again.
Quiet. Stop talking nonsense at least here.
He could have spent 10 minutes with his family.
Everyone here knows Dad. Perhaps that's why.
Everyone here will know me very soon. Come, let's sit.
Here?
I can't stop thinking, sir, about the bid of the airlines. The bid will open there and we'll be stuck here at Krishna Kant Reddy's party.
You will never forget this night in your life.
Why, sir?
Because tonight you will see Krishna Kant Reddy lose in his own house.
Welcome, Mr. Goyal.
Hello, Karthik.
How are you?
I'm very good. How about you?
I would never have gotten a chance to come to such a grand party. It is with God's grace and Siddhant's magic that I got to cling glasses with you.
After coming here, if we keep talking to each other, then what is the point of coming? Step out of your comfort zone. Meet new people. Go and bag a few clients.
Hey, listen. Let's have one. Come. Ooh.
When are you showing us the movie, ma'am? You can hear a song tonight. Wait, KK will announce it.
Brother, are you looking for someone?
Not at all.
Siddhant. Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Well, are you Shrikant?
Yes. It has been so long. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
And you? I'm sorry, I forgot your name.
Purva.
Yes, of course, Purva. How are you?
Fine.
And what are you doing back here? Well, you're the star of this party. In fact, if not for you, I would have been doomed. Come, let me introduce you to my friends. Everyone is yearning to see you. Everybody wants to meet you.
Mom, I'll be right back.
What do we do?
Purva, you take care of Mom.
Well, why does she have to? I mean, this is like her own home. Okay, just a second. Wait up. Listen, serving them well is your special duty.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Mr. Shrikant, your mother wants to see you. Siddhant, I'll be just back in a jiffy. Okay?
Okay.
Go ahead, grab a drink for yourself. Okay?
Sure. Hello, Mr. Sweetie. Won't you mix anything?
Well, you know, I hate adulteration right from the beginning.
How many have you had?
I do not count my drinks, sir. I came at 8 p.m. sharp. Dot. As you know well, when I see an open bar, I am at bliss.
You are too much, Mr. Sweetie.
This is not just my case. Look at Mr. Khurana. He came here craving for business. And he will bag many clients today. Hey, won't you have any drink?
I will. Hey, what do we have?
What do you want, sir? Park, Queen, Delmi, Malka.
I've never heard of these names.
What do you suggest?
Depends on your taste, sir.
Okay.
Mom, will we just sit here? Can we go in the front?
No, just stay here. If your father wants to find us, how will he?
Let's find something for a pastime. You tell me, whom do you know over here? 14, 24.
Do you see that man who's wearing the grey suit?
Yes.
He's Mr. KK's relative. This guy who showed up, who was he? Shrikant? His father-in-law.
All right, did I thank you or not?
When you pay me the installment on time, then my thank you will be expressed by itself.
No, my friend. If not for you, I would have definitely missed this airline deal.
Relax, Mr. Goyal. You still haven't got the deal yet. So wait.
Do you understand a day-old joke?
Look, she has worn a sari.
A sari?
Yeah, just look at her, how she's dressed. Now look what this sari does.
Meet Hira Sanyal.
Hello.
Hi.
She can be very useful.
Come on, KK.
That is the truth. If Hira decides to do something, the job gets done anyhow.
She just takes advantage of her beauty. That's all. Nothing else.
Why shouldn't I? If I'm beautiful, so be it.
But to me, she is only a friend.
You're progressing in Hindi. Good.
है तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू